All right, let me show you how to beat the Bols Carian Knight. This guy's not too difficult. And to find him, we're going to be at the Cuckoos Evergaol, which is jail. And it's going to be in Liurnia at this point right there on the far west side. And then we're just going to go inside there. And my guy is a fairly high level at this point. You can see I have 8 flasks at this time, but I don't even use a flask in this battle. And so kind of the trick with this guy, he is pretty slow, and I'm just going to run right up to him, and then I'm just going to start going at his ankles. And then he does this little stomp, but the stomp's pretty slow, and he can just roll away from that. And I'm just using this Bloodhound's Finesse weapon art, and then just normal attacks on his feet, and then he fell down. It was just pretty easy to beat for me at this level and with this weapon. And there you go, pretty easy. And hopefully that will help you out a little bit if you're having any trouble beating him. Take care. Hope you enjoyed this video. Happy gaming, everyone.